Today, our learning intention is I will learn how to find the area of rectangles to help me find the areas of shapes that are related to rectangles. So in that learning intention, we're talking about rectangles and how you can use your knowledge of rectangles to help you to find the area of other types of shapes. Our success criteria is I know I am successful when I can find the area of a section of tile composed of rectangles, equilateral triangles, hexagons, rhombi, and trapezoids. So we're going to be looking at the areas of many different types of shapes that are not rectangles. Okay, so I know we have done the paired verbal fluency before, and we're going to do 3 rounds again today. But before we begin, just let me see by a show of hands, how many of you know something about area? You don't have to tell me what it is, but raise your hand if you know something about area. Or you've learned something about area before, previously in another grade. Okay, very good. Put your hands down for a minute. Well, today we're going to expand our knowledge on what area is. And we're going to start out with an activity that we're going to do the paired verbal fluency. And we're going to do 3 rounds. There's going to be a partner A and a partner B like you're used to doing in class. Every partnership should have 1 envelope. And on the inside of the envelopes, you have some cards that are different colors. I would like for you to take the yellow card out first that has a rectangle on it. And these are your directions. We're getting ready to start the paired verbal fluency part of the lesson. Explain to your partner how you might find the area of this figure. Okay, partner A, you're going to go first. You're going to have 15 seconds. Partner A is going to talk and partner B is going to listen. Remember to be good listeners. You may start now. Okay, partner A, stop. Partner B, it is your turn, starting now. Okay, partner B, stop. Okay, next we're going to go to round 2. For round 2, I want you to pull out the blue card. Hold it so that you and your partner can both see it. Okay, remember this is going to be the round where partner B is going to go first. So you're going to do the same thing that you did before. You're going to explain to your partner how you might find the area of this figure. Okay, you will have 30-second rounds. Remember, you're being a good listener as well as a good talker. You want to be able to hear what they're saying. I'll let you know when to start. Remember, partner B. Okay, so think about how you would do that. You may begin.
All you really have to do is multiply this by this and then divide by 2.
Okay, it is partner A's turn. You can add to what your partner told you. Partner A is going to go. Okay, your 30 seconds begins now.
Yeah, I need 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it'd be 12 and a half to the square.
Okay, the last figure is the tan colored card. And let me show you on the smart board what that looks like. Okay, explain to your partner, you can do the same thing, how you might find the area of this figure. Okay, so partner A is going to go first. You'll have 60 seconds this time. So that gives you a little bit longer to talk about your thinking. And then partner B will also have a 60-second. So you may begin partner A now. Okay, partner A, stop. Shh. Okay, now this shape is a little bit different from the previous two. So think about what you could do. So partner B, you're also going to have 60 seconds, and partner A, you're just going to be listening. You may begin now. Who's partner? Is he partner B? Sean. How do you think you would find the area of that shape? Okay, stop please. Okay, may I have everyone's attention this way? Go over our rules when we work together as a collaborative group. Remember, every member is going to participate. That's very important. Okay, we don't want one person to sit back and not do anything, so give everyone a chance to be a part of it. Then we want math talk only. Okay, you guys are aware of what that means, and let's try to keep our inside voices down. I'm going to be walking around the room and listening to your ideas, and if you need to ask any questions or any help, you can get my attention or you can get her attention in the back of the room, and we'll be glad to come and help you with any questions you may have. You were given some markers. You can use whatever markers you want to do to draw on the poster, but this is your chance to create a poster that explains your thinking about how to find the area of these shapes. Okay. Let's say 10 minutes, boys and girls. I think we can do this in about 10 minutes. Okay, because we have three shapes, almost forgot. Let's listen. Because we have three shapes, boys and girls, you know, if everyone starts with the rectangle, you might not get to the trapezoid at the end. So let's just kind of rotate what we begin with. So these two tables right here, you're going to go in the order that we did them for the paired verbal fluency. You're going to start with the rectangle, then you're going to do the triangle, and then the trapezoid. So you can go in the order. Okay, these two middle groups, why don't you skip the rectangle to begin with? You can save it for the end. And y'all start with the triangle one, then do the trapezoid, then end up with the rectangle. And these three groups right here, if you would please start with the trapezoid, then you can go to the rectangle and the triangle. But you'll probably have time to do all three. In my morning class, I think they all had a chance to do all three of them. Okay, you may begin.
Figure out how to find the area.
They're over.
There's some over there.
Yeah, you can get one. Excuse me?
What if you can't figure out how to find the area of a trapezoid?
Well, you know, just think about the...
I mean, you could make it into one of these and then divide it by 3.
You can subdivide it if you want to. You could.
Because all it is 3 triangles.
Why don't the four of you just have a conversation and think about how you could do that? You could. Okay, so what are you thinking that you're going to maybe put on your poster besides just a picture of that? What would you do? How could you explain to someone?
Count squares. That you can count the squares in the area.
Okay, write that down. Write it down. Whoever wants to write it. It doesn't matter.
It should go the other way.
Okay, so Mariah wrote that for which shape? Which shape are you doing? The trapezoid? Okay, that's the trapezoid.
I thought this for all the shapes, so you just gotta count the arms. You just gotta like find. Okay, you can find the area of the shape by counting the squares inside of the shape.
But don't forget that you'll need to go
At
back
first
and
she
write
thought-
down what the area
At first
is
she
for
thought
each
it was
one.
the outside.
She
At first she thought it was the outside.
Okay, so
That
what?
was that's the
I
perimeter.
didn't say the
Okay, so Steve,
inside.
but you can use the perimeter to help you to find if you use the formula. But you guys don't have to use the formulas. Okay, what you need to do now is to figure out what is the area of that shape, and how do you know that?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
No.
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 and a half.
But you counted these as one.
Because they're halves. They're halves.
Yeah, but you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
They're not a part of the triangle.
They're 10. It's 10. It's 10. It's 10. It's 10. I counted.
Okay, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what about these two together? A half and a half.
A whole.
11.